Hello Bafethu, welcome to another beautiful, fun and exciting episode of Cars, Stands and Class. And I'm your beautiful, nice, great fun host, Nkupi the Entertainer. Today we are here at Mapzo's place. This is Mapzo's, right? And we're gonna check out his way. Woo! Oh, and he is Clint, guys. Hey, he's running away, he's running. Oh, he is. Hey, Clint! Dinsa, o re nga choose wa di bereka ira re to re ile iskhale mamotha ebane this guy says hey guys, you surely remember Clint. If you look at his face, you remember Clint very well. He was there by Zone 2. Was there by, he used to work there with days. Eba na engineer la li nchije di intake lidi. Iban, guys, they say this car will start today. I'll be around until I see what's going on. What's going on? At least to tarboja. Guys, you heard it. He said he's upgrading the table of that. I'm not Linton. Good to see you. Come on, dear. Hey, Mapzo, he's on. No, we are starting Mamut. Hamun. Urgule, Azaba. Iliso, Nagitsi.
Wala wa mziba wala.
Umof. Emona ukhuta mbe man. Ukhuta ukhuta.
Mara na wa utseba.
O kana na gudule khale
O thare ngupi ngupi.
lo mo go TikTok.
Are ngupi ukae.
Home is home here.
Awa. Bana camera baro.
Wa camera sanjino ino ba go. So guys, Mapzo is even showing me around how he's going to do his place. Let's go into the landscaping. Beautiful workshop. Hey,
Reception area.
reception.
It's a good thing for now. The boardroom.
Smells new. We'll be discussing car models, what to build here, and what we're gonna do.
The main desk office.
Where we're gonna discuss deals and then finish them up here. They start in the boardroom, then they go there. Then we know we're gonna build which car, how where we're gonna take it.
This is the reception area.
Oh, you're gonna need a receptionist. Hello, my name is.
Yes. Welding machine, compressor.
Heaven, bending.
Obviously.
Bad. Robenda do Zozo Hiso.
Yeah. Oh, not Ravel. Got your grinders, compressors, everything. Mabete Visha. So no more break. No more break. Kila ule.
Eh?
Sure, little D's.
Eh. Little D's, kila kolega ye. Agora bana na le buye.
Kula ya khale phakile ka. So I want upgrading CO2.
Ditwele. Ditwele. Bona duji kae? Ona ga re bethe ka starch tires. Eh. Twa. Let's check out Mapzo's place. He says he wants to show me his coughs. Force. So we came to his house. He said he has more calls. So we came, and this is what we got. This is what we got. Woo. And then there's another one. Oh, this is the one we came. And then there's this one. My pee is on fire. This bra really loves calls, man. I'm telling you. But I can see which one is his favorite. This one, because I always see it on the road, and this one I see it less. And look at where this one parked. But maybe I might get it wrong. It's parked in the sun, in the shade. Always on the road, less on the road. I've seen someone drive this one. I've never seen anyone drive this one except him. So I'm under the impression that this one is the best. What? Dog food? There's a dog. Whoa. No. Microbus. He has a microbus as well. And remember this car. This drop sack. Remember this drop sack. You remember it. You don't remember this 10J? You don't remember this 10J car? You definitely do. And he has a microbus as well. And an X5. Last time he was at my house, he showed me this X5. Okay. Remember this bus I was driving in, I was inside it with Katra. This is Detainer. It's been a while since you've seen Detainer. Just parks the car here clean and just starts washing it. Udia ngumo. Thato memet.
Hala ke thato bo re ke fedile.
O lo polecha memet. Ya ka morao.
Ka mo ya ka mo fa.
Memet ke ya ka pele ene.
Ke tlo inje me be ke Fede bras.
We are learning, gents. We are learning that these people they watch this thing.
Yeah, so.
Ka bossos awe tsamaya bossos bona ha ye wena tsele mo boni ka mo
Aben dress ale.
Ere di five phone ya bosso ke Bluetooth. Are you connected? No service. Yes. Well, yes. Sure, you're connecting. I got to some put your good here. We don't trace a capilla life. Ah, you went. It's a bossos, so you learn now. You below the life. You're connected. Today I'm driving El Patron, no, it's not the Patron. Bossos Mpilo. I don't know if they still call it Mpilo the Life. Today I'm driving Mpilo. Kika Mpilo. That right? While I wait for Bossos to return, I'll be driving it. Last time, I matched with him. So today it's me and El Patron. I'm gonna call it El Patron because the previous owner called it had the same golf, not the same, but he had a white golf and called it El Patron. But this is not El Patron. So I'll be driving it today. But I don't like driving people's cars because I don't know what might happen, you know. And then they might gain my 16. You know, people when their cars are broken, they can demand whatever, however, because you can't fix their cars at the moment and should they want them. So they'll say, "Let me drive yours," and now they drive mine, and I don't like that. So I just drove it. He removed me from the quantum I was in, and he said he wants to go somewhere with his load and somewhere else. And then he gave me this one. Gave me this one, right? Gave me this one for me to drive in. But I just moved from where he took the car and came here. After coming here, I parked. There's nothing I'm gonna do, nothing more I'm gonna do to this car. I'm just gonna park like this. Save his fuel, save his car, and not do anything. That's it. Maybe one day I'll drive it down. But now I'm not gonna drive it. I'm not. I'm just gonna do this. That's it. Don't drive it home. Because I don't want to damage his car. You know what? I don't like people's cars, guys. When he says he's back, I'm just going to take this car here, take it to him, and he's going to wonder why the fuel is like this, why the car is like this. And I'm just going to take it here and take it to him. Yes, you are back. Yes. Back. They are back. Okay, they're back. Let me see what they bought me. They didn't buy me anything, and then they bribed me, but they didn't buy me anything. Next time. Next time. Next time with the Mudiela floor. Litilele ngeban. Kile tamolo jeso. Mapzo. Oh, he doesn't want to come out, guys, because the heater is on and it's hot in there. Okay. Today this is the car of the day. Today this is the car of the day, and we're going to show it flames. Look at the drop. Look at this drop. If you don't want to put people in your taxi, you must say. You can't drop a car like this, especially a taxi. If you don't want to give people lift, you must say. If you don't want to have passengers and hamotu, you must say, okay? If you don't want to give people lifts and rank and have loads, just say it. Ne? Don't drop a car like this. What is
How many fingers can you fit?
nothing?
What you can fit?
Man, I can't fit Jack. I can't fit Jack.
Not at all.
I'm talking about here. What are you doing, man? Man. Not for sale for people since under the age of 18. So, but I like this KC13. Now I'm going back to my cab. Oh, gonna majita mola shibale waphuzi. Waphuzi je ba chaba camera. Magitalo. Shibale praying. We should put that thing. Why do they put that thing on top of taxis? I don't know, but we should put it. We'll see what happens.